Hold on. I really dislike this phone sometimes.
Me too. Red, you're shattering my shot.
She is.
She's got a pretty little face. So we are now about a half hour after our baby has been born. And through my halfway attempts at desensitizing, decided to give her a break and let her get up, have some chow. It's been a big night. This is little baby Harley, our little black filly. You don't like that name? It's too bad. Look at those legs. Yeah, you're part thoroughbred, all right. I need to go look at little Diva. See how big she looks compared to her. Oh, so cute. You videoing on there?
Big song video.
Yeah.
Still in your battery.
Oh, slippery floor. That's why I wish we had more hay and more straw for you.
Take some off there.
Maybe.
Like that. And move. What do you think of it?
Right, it's not edible.
Yeah.
Trying to make it so your baby's got some room. There you go. Don't let her back away. Keep touching her. And well, I know, but I don't want to teach her to back away. Did you take some pictures too?
No, I took like one picture.